Want to speak real Spanish from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at SpanishPod101.com.
Amigo, friend. Me encanta salir con mis amigos. I love hanging out with my friends. Araña, spider. Araña, which means spider. Las arañas me dan mucho miedo. Spiders are really scary to me. Bello, beautiful. You can use it both for objects and people, but it's not that common to use it for people nowadays. That drawing is very beautiful. Ese dibujo es muy bello. Contenta, happy. Estoy muy contenta porque aprobé el examen. I'm very happy because I passed the exam. España, Spain. You all should visit Spain. Todos deberíais visitar España. Come. Hola, hello. Hola, ¿qué tal estás? Hello, how are you? Pingüino, penguin. Me encantaban los pingüinos en la película de Mary Poppins. I love the penguins in the Mary Poppins films. Primavera, spring. Me encanta cuando las flores florecen en primavera. I love when flowers bloom during the spring. Saludable, healthy. Eating a hamburger every day isn't very healthy. Comer una hamburguesa todos los días no es muy saludable. Helado, ice cream. Mi helado preferido es el de avellana. My favorite ice cream flavor is hazelnuts. A la izquierda, to the left. Para llegar al restaurante tienes que girar a la izquierda. To get to the restaurant, you have to turn to the left. Amor, love. Oh, amor. Amor. ¿Es el amor lo más importante para ti? Is love the most important thing to you? Fiesta, party. Fiesta, which means party. Cuando era una estudiante de universidad, iba más de fiesta. When I was a university student, I used to party more often. Otorrinolaringólogo, otolaryngologist. Es difícil pronunciar otorrinolaringólogo en español. It is difficult to pronounce otolaryngologist in Spanish. Why did you... Señorita, miss. Esa señorita baila muy bien el flamenco. That miss dances flamenco very well. El presupuesto es ilimitado. The budget is unlimited. For example, if you are at a fancy restaurant and the other person tells you the budget is unlimited. El presupuesto es ilimitado. You can eat all you want. Yay! Eres una excelente cocinera. You are an excellent cook. It always feels nice to know that you can do like tasty things. Habrá un extra al final de mes, which means there'll be a bonus at the end of the month. Sounds great! Te echo de menos. I miss you. I haven't met you, but I miss you already. Te traje algo especial. I brought you something special. What could it be? Te ves muy bien hoy. You look great today. You look great today. All of you. Yes, you. Tenías razón. You were right. It always feels good to be right. Yeah. Y tú ganas, which means, and you win. And what is it that I win? Te quiero, which means I love you. Well, in my case, I love the viewers that leave me nice comments. Eres tan inteligente, which is, you are so smart.
Want to speak real Spanish from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at SpanishPod101.com.
Eres guapo. You're handsome. Eres guapo. You're handsome. If you're telling this to a girl, you would say, eres guapa. So be careful about that. Gran trabajo. Great job. Gran trabajo. Great job. This is the kind of compliment you always want to hear from your boss, I guess. Tu currículum es impresionante. Your resume is impressive. Tu currículum es impresionante. Your resume is impressive. I think for me, an impressive resume would be one that shows that the people traveled a lot and knows a lot of languages maybe and have a lot of different experience in very different fields. Me haces querer ser una mejor persona. You make me want to be a better person. Me haces querer ser una mejor persona. You make me want to be a better person. Yeah, that's the type of people you want to be with. Esa chaqueta te queda bien. That jacket looks good on you. Esa chaqueta te queda bien. That jacket looks good on you. So, what do you guys think about my t-shirt? Do you like it? Eres inteligente. You're smart. Eres inteligente. You're smart. Yeah, it feels really good to hear that, especially from your teachers. Eres un amigo genial. You're an awesome friend. Eres un amigo genial. You're an awesome friend. I think an awesome friend is someone that it's there always for you, like for both the good and the bad times, especially the bad times. Tu sonrisa es preciosa. Your smile is beautiful. Tu sonrisa es preciosa. Your smile is beautiful. Me encanta cómo cocinas. I love your cooking. Me encanta cómo cocinas. I love your cooking. I'm not that good at cooking, to be honest. Te ves impresionante. You look gorgeous. Te ves impresionante. You look gorgeous. I hope like someone would tell that to me.
¿Cómo estás? How are you? This is a more formal way of asking how are you. A more colloquial way would be ¿qué tal? Gracias por preguntar. Thank you for asking. Gracias por preguntar. Thank you for asking. Estoy bien. I'm fine. So this is the most common response you can get to how are you. When you don't really want to explain anything else, you just say estoy bien. ¿Y tú? And you? ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo has estado recientemente? How have you been recently? This you could ask to someone you haven't seen in some time. Yeah, you're curious about how they've been. Tengo sueño. I'm sleepy. Tengo sueño. I'm sleepy. No estoy mal. I'm not bad. So when you're not particularly fine but also not bad, you can say this. It's kind of in a middle ground. Estoy cansado. I'm tired. Estoy cansado. I'm tired. So you should rest a bit more. Me siento mal. I'm feeling bad. You could say this either if you are having some physical pain, also if you are feeling bad psychologically because of something. So I'm inventing some of them because they are not words. Estoy regular. I'm so-so. So again, if you're not fine but you're not bad either, you can say this. Estoy agobiado. I'm stressed. So you can say this if you have a lot of things to do, have a lot of work, or you're busy studying for some exams.
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.